Hey guys, we're at HomeGoods. I'm just going to show you some of their new spring stuff, including some like Easter stuff over there and some of their new like floral arrangements. So let's get started. I think this is adorable. Only $30. I think this cute little bunny vase is adorable. It has like the little colorful tulips in it. It's only $14.99, so it's a super good price. And then I think this tall vase here with the other like yellow tulips, when I was there, I didn't think it was all that cute, but now looking back on it, I'm like, oh, this was really cute. As far as like pricing and stuff at HomeGoods, I don't know. Sometimes it throws me off because I see something and I think that it would be priced much higher. But then I'll see something and I'm like, I know they're not charging that much. I don't know. Does anybody else feel that way? But anywho, they have some cute little small arrangements, centerpieces and everything. I liked this particular one here. It's only $14.99. I think that was really cute for a small space. I think that would be adorable. I really like the colors of the flowers there. And then I'm just kind of panning around and looking at a few different things over here. Okay, I think this is a super unique piece. $29.99. That's cute. I like that. Okay, and then when are you guys going to decorate for spring? I am so excited to decorate for spring, but I don't have a lot of stuff yet though. So that's the only thing. I need to go to Hobby Lobby now that I think their spring is finally 40% off. I need to actually go and look. I definitely don't hardly have a thing for spring. So I'm not quite ready. Well, I shouldn't say I don't have a thing. I do have a couple things. And one of them I'm going to be super excited to share with you guys in my, I don't think I'm going to do a haul or anything of the stuff because I don't have that much. But I bought this one thing. I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm not going to give it away. But I bought something from TJ Maxx and I was shocked and I wasn't going to get it. However, I slept on it and it was still on my mind when I woke up the next day. And I was like, okay, that's how I know I need to go back and get it. And so I did end up going back and getting it. And yeah, soon enough. So I think, I say all that to say, I think I will decorate, I don't know, maybe early March, like first week of March, maybe last week of February. I don't know. You know how YouTube goes. You got to decorate like way in advance. So I guess we'll just see. But I plan on decorating into February, early March. We'll see how it goes. But I am definitely excited. And just because to me, I'm not a winter girl, like at all. When I tell you at all, I'm talking about at all. Like every single winter, I'm like, why do I live in the Midwest? Like, why? Why would I do this to myself? Like, I'm grown. I'm to the point where I can move somewhere warm. So why am I sitting here choosing to suffer? You know what I'm saying? So with all that being said, yes, I am not a winter person. And so I really cannot wait. I love bright colors and I love when the seasons change. And my two favorite seasons are spring and fall. And so of course, fall is number one, spring is number two. And so, yes, I've already got a countdown for when spring actually starts on my phone because that's how ready I am. This was a super unique, cute egg here with like the butterflies and stuff. And honestly, okay, I know it's an egg, but I swear I feel like you could use it like as decor year round in like a girl's room. What do you think? I don't know. That gold bunny is everything. Definitely needed it. I did not take it home, but I should have. This is super cute with the little lamppost. Why didn't I get that? I don't know. It's just too much, you know, like I can't buy everything. So that's the issue. The little chocolate bunny over there is cute. The egg garland is cute. Oh, I need to find another word to describe this decor because it is definitely super cute. And to be honest, this is not my favorite HomeGoods that I go to. There's another one that I really like that seems to have a lot more. And so I need to travel and go to that one. And this, I think, is like cupcakes and cashmere. Super cute. And then I really love this bunny that was carrying like the macaroons. I should have picked him up, but I did not. Yeah. Oh, well. But yeah, I think they just had some really, really cute bunnies this year, like just in different poses and just doing things. A soccer bunny, I think they had like a golf bunny. And then look at this. This is so cute with like the little eggs in its back. And it's $29.99. That was huge. That reminds me of like Peter Rabbit. I thought that was cute. I tried to get close enough. It was hard to get close though to see how much it was. I'm gonna guess it's probably $59.99. That's what the majority of the things were in the bigger ones were in that range. This egg was humongous. I could not for the life of me though figure out, it was just way too big and heavy. I couldn't figure out how much it was, but super, super cute. And this right here was so creepy to me. I don't know why. The face just was creepy. Goods definitely had a lot of indoor, outdoor decor. So like just a lot of different like statues and stuff that had a lot of weight to them. So you could definitely put on a porch and you won't have to, worry about it blowing away. So I definitely like that. This little rabbit couple was everything. That's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. Next up on my channel will be a Sunday reset where I clean and organize my pantry for free. All right, bye.